Today we will discuss about classification of nematic elements. Williams, Marshall. Williams and Marshall divided into the phylum nematic elements five classes. Class 1 Rotifera, Class 2 Gastrotricha, Class 3 Chinorhyncha, Class 4 Nematoda, and Class 5 Nematomorpha. Hyman also proposed to another one phylum, that is Priapulida. Priapulida, total 6 classes are there in nematic elements. In this, first class 1 Rotifera. Rotifera means wheel. Roti means wheel and fera means bearing. Rotifera means wheel bearing animals, or it is also commonly known as animalcule or wheel bearer. Wheel bearers. These organisms are aquatic and it's found in ponds and lakes and streams, rivers and etc. So these are freshwater animals. Next, body wall is thickened. Body wall is thick, and digestive system is complete digestive system and complete with mastication organs. Post-anal with adhesive glands. It is useful for attachment of substratum. And next, gastrotricha. So gastro means stomach. Next, microscopic organisms, and these are marine and freshwater organism. So these are microscopic, marine or freshwater organisms. So these are only freshwater organisms. These are freshwater also marine water organisms. Next, digestive system. Digestive system is complete digestive system with bristles. Bristles like structures are present. And excretion done by two pairs of protonephridia. So next, dioecious organisms, and life cycle is simple. Life cycle is next class Chinorhyncha. Chinos means more. These are only freshwater organisms. And digestive system is complete. Digestive system is occurs. Digestive system is complete with salivary glands. These are also dioecious organisms. And life cycle is simple and fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal fertilization is occurs. Next, nematoda. These are parasitic. These are parasitic. Nema means round worms or thread-like structure. Thread worms are present. It is commonly known as round worms or thread worms. And in this, sense organs or phasmids and aphids. Phasmids and aphids. Phasmids present in anterior part and phasmids present in posterior part. Based on these two class, nematoda divided into two orders. A phasmidia and phasmidia. In this Aphasmidia, phasmids are absent. And in this phasmids are present. So in this phasmids are absent and aphids are present. So these are sensory organs, and life cycle completes two or more host. Class Nematomorpha. Nema means thread-like structures or thread-like worms is called as Nematomorpha. These are also aquatic or terrestrial. In this adult worms are aquatic. Adults are aquatic, and juveniles means larval forms. Juveniles or larval forms are parasitic, and digestive system is complete digestive system is occur. And in this respiratory, circulatory and excretory systems, these three systems are absent. Next, only special class, that is Priapulida. In this, all are marine and gonoducts, protonephridia are united. All are unisexual. So these are classification of nematic